Good morning, Year 5. So, welcome to Monday's session of division. As most of you probably guessed, it is dividing 4 digits by 1 digit. We did 3 last week and we're moving on to an extra digit this week. So, as a quick reminder, I'd like you to have a go at our 2-digit and 3-digit divisions for me. So, set them out in our method that we have been using. Pause the video and then we'll go through the answers on the next page. Right then. So we've got 64 divided by 3. So we have 3's into 6. So there are two 3's that go into 6. And then I have no remainders. And how many 3's go into 4? Well, only one of them go in, leaving me with a remainder of 1. It should be nice and quick like that. So as much as we know our timetables, it's a lot quicker because then we can remember how many we can get into one number. So let's go on to this one then. So it's 345 divided by 3. Okay, so let's have a go. So how many 3's go into 3? We know 1 goes into that one because only one 3 can go into 3. So how many 3's go into 4? So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I'm going to stop at 18. I might need to use it. We'll find out. So only 1 because I can't go any further because that would make it 6 being too much. So I've got 1. Then I put 4 in my head. And how many have I got left over? So 5, 6, giving me 2 left over. So I'm going to need to go further because I have only got to 18 so far. So 18... So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Now I can stop there because I need 25. I've got 24 here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I have a remainder of 1 as there is 1 extra to make it 25. Here I've got how many 4's go into 654. So how many 4's go into 6? So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Stop there for now. So only 1 4 can go in because if I go to the next 4, it's too many. So that leaves me with 2 left over. So let's go a bit further. 24, 28. Okay, I need 25. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 can go in, but I have a remainder of 1. How many 4's go into 14? So we've got 1, 2, 3. That gets me to 12, but I have a remainder of 2 because I need 14. So give them a tick if you got them correct, okay? Don't worry if you didn't get them all correct. We have had the weekend, okay? So we're going to keep practicing those today. Right then, we have got some practice ones first to see how we do with 4-digit numbers, okay? So how many 3's go into 2? Now again, we know that none can go into that because we have to start with 3. Ooh, there we go. So we have to start with 3. Because it starts with our 3 times table. So we need to carry our 2 along. So we put a 0 there because it doesn't go in. So how many 3's go into 24? So I'm going to have to keep doing my 3 times table until I get to a number that is close to the one that I need. And there we have it. We have 24. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 3's go into 24, so I don't need to carry any over. So how many 3's go into 7? I've got 1 3, 2 3. I can't go any further because that will give me 9. So 2 of them go in, but I've got 6 of the 2 3's, and I need an extra one to get to 7. So I must carry my extra one along. Okay. How many 3's go into 12? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer has no remainders because 12 is in the 3 times tables. Okay, let's go on to these ones. Okay, how many 4's go into 3? So again, it's the same situation here. it should be a 4 to start off with. I've got one less than 4. So I'm going to have to carry the 3 along because I can't possibly get a 4 to go into 3. So let's write my 4s down here. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I'm going to stop at 20 for now. Oh, I need to go a bit further, sorry. So we go on to 24, and we go to 28, and we go to 32, 36. I'm going to stop there because I need 37. So I'm going to stop at 36. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But that only gives me 36 and I need 37. So I must remember to carry my 1 to make it 14. How many 4s go into 14? 1, 2, 3. Can I go any further? No, I can't because it will make it 16. So I can only have 3 into 14. And then I have 2 left over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I know that one goes in because I can stop and see the full number. Give them a big tick if you got those ones right. Again, don't worry if you need to start refreshing yourself from last week. That's what today is for. We're just adding an extra number to see what we can get. Okay? So if you're feeling a little bit lost, here are the I'm lost questions. Now, I want you to have a go at these ones first. If you're still feeling a little bit wobbly, you might feel confident, but I would like you to try these ones first, okay? So we've got some questions that you need to just pop into the bus stop method. We've got a worded problem here, okay? So we've got to find our key information, which is obviously our 4-digit number and our 3-digit number. And then we have a true or false question. You need to tell me if it's true or false, okay? If you're feeling confident and you've gone straight to these questions, again, we've got 2 questions that you need to just set out in our division method. We've got 2 worded problems that you need to find the key information with, and make sure you write your answer as well. So you need to say there are X amount of pieces of paper. So whatever your answer is, you need to explain that that is how many pieces of paper they will get. Don't just put your answer, because when I see it on Dojo, it's sometimes easier if you write your answer as well, okay? And then these are the mastery questions for today. This one is a year 6 question. So if you have a go at this and you get it correct, that'll be very impressive. Just to help you out, make sure you look at the number of books that you are dividing by, please. Okay, we've got a true or false statement for number 1, missing digits, which a lot of us are really good at, so I hope we can continue that. And then number 3, as I said, is a year 6 question. Okay, do not panic if this all feels a little bit more confusing with an extra number. You just need to remember all we've done is added an extra digit to the ones that we've done last week. It's really good to see when people are writing out their times tables. That is what I should be seeing, because then I know you are working that out using your times tables properly, okay? Good luck, and don't forget to post it on Dojo.